Hi everybody, this is Kathy from katzelcreate and welcome back to our channel. So I am doing a Beebeecraft unboxing video today. Yay! I've actually already took it off of the mailer and everything. It was bubbled up really nicely packaged. I will insert some pictures of that on here so you guys could see that. So everything was really packaged nice, bubbled up and everything. And I haven't opened my items. I just took everything out and yay. So I did want to mention that Beebeecraft has a YouTube program. For this, you must have a YouTube channel, have at least over 100 subscribers, and be willing to promote their items. By doing this, they will give you some free items for you to promote their items and do videos with. So anyways, so let me go ahead and start off with what I got. So I got this. It is elastic cord. It's from Create, and let's go ahead and see. I hadn't seen this, so I'm so excited. I just got this in the mail yesterday, and let's see. So ooh, I like. So everything came in a box or baggie or wrapped up in their own package. So this is nice. I like this. So right now that a lot of people are doing masks, this is one of the good ones. Oh my gosh, this is really good. So yay. So this, you could use this on that, and it is let me see, 2 mm's and 55 yards of elastic cord beading stretch. So it is, this is an aquamarine color, and there you go. And I will link everything down in the description below so you guys could check that out. And then I also got these. These is a set of wire cutter pliers. It's a 5-inch carbon steel micro diagonal side cutter. Basically, you will be able, so okay, like that it comes in this plastic so it doesn't cut anything. So basically when you are cutting wire and it's like really close edge, I don't know if you guys could see that. Let's see if you guys could see that. See how flat it's on this side. Sometimes me myself, when I'm trying to cut wire, that's why I got this, because the edge, the side is not a clean cut. So I'm hoping this will help. And this is really nice and sturdy. Like it. I had actually previously ordered one somewhere else and I had to return it because it wasn't a clean cut. So we'll see if this one works. So there you go. And then I also got these. I've been looking for these type of wire. These are called 5-inch bent nose pliers, and it's supposed to be comfort rubber grip. So we'll see. So this has it's bent right here, and I had seen Miss Buzzing with Bee use these, and I wanted some, and I haven't been able to find some that I'm like, so I'm hoping these will work. I like, so you guys could see that they're bent. So yeah, they feel nice. It feels a nice grip. So there we go. Like that. And then I got this right here, and this is let me see, this is a 90-piece suede faux suede leather wrap bracelet. So actually it comes with the packing list and it gives you the item codes and everything, but I'm actually trying to read everything out of my iPad, so that way I give you guys an accurate description of what the item is. So that's, I do apologize if I'm like sound like I'm lost, but it's because I'm trying to read. So this was a 90-piece of faux suede leather wrap bracelet making kit, and it has a few charms in it with beads, and it should make at least 10 bracelets. So there we go. It comes, let's see, let's move this here. Here. So it comes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So each one I believe might have 2 strings. We'll find out for sure. Yeah. Oh, it has a long string. So, oh, okay. So you cut it to your size. Awesome. Yay. So it has these little clamps. And it doesn't have instructions on how to make it, but I was looking at the website, and it does have the instructions on the site where you order it. So if you have a question on how to make them, and they're pretty simple and explanatory. So it has this right here. So that one goes on the edge right here when you're ready to finish your bracelet off. It has these butterfly beads, and these should slide off nicely onto this right here. There you go, you see. And then it also has these, what are these called? Like the clamps, I believe that's what they're called. So there you go. And it has the rings right here. So yay, this is awesome. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it has enough to make for 10. So there you go. So awesome. I like this. So anyways, let's go ahead and put this in here. And the charms, these are the charms that it came with. There you go. And the butterfly here. Okay. So then we put that on the side. And everything comes in its individual baggie. Everything's like in a different baggie. It's not all just tossed together. So yay. And then I got this. This one came in this bag. And these are brass rhinestone spacer beads. They're nickel free. They're silver, and they're a mixture. Oh, sorry, wrong one. And there are a mixture of different colors, and you could barely see the colors. There you go. Oh my gosh. In the middle of it, it has different rhinestones, like really, really tiny. I hope you guys could see that. Can you guys see that? There you go. And it has 100 in here. They're really small, so I do believe it is about 100 of them in here. Different colors. It's green, it looks like a teal, it's a red one, it's a dark blue, and that's about it. Really cute. I like those. I am not going to take them out. Well, maybe I should. And this is what they look like. They're really, really tiny. They're like half of my, not even half of my fingernail. So there you go. That's why they want to take them out. So I want to lose them. So there you go. And I can't wait to see what I create with all these. And lastly, I got these, and these are should be the steel head pins. It is about 500 pieces in here. So let's go ahead and see. And this is really bubbled up right. I think because since it's, there you go. And these are the pins for jewelry making, and these are the flat on the bottom, and I've been wanting some of these, and yay. So I can't wait to work with these. And there should be about $500 of them in here. So there you go. So there's everything I received from Beebeecraft. And I can't wait to create with all these and show you guys what I made and how these actually work, and if they actually work pretty well. So anyways, thank you everybody for watching. I will link everything down on the description below. And also I do want to mention, any purchases over $25, you usually get free shipping. So go ahead over, check them out. Thank you everybody for taking the time to watch, and we'll see you on our projects. on our next videos for Beebeecraft. Thank you again. Bye.